So ano yung pinaka-challenging part that you can still remember while growing up in Winnipeg?
Yun nga yung, I would say yung English ba, yung language na English kasi siyempre nahihiya kang i-express yung sarili mo. The good thing about it is yung school na pinasukan ko, marami ding immigrant. So, walang masyadong judgmental na alam mo yun, baka magsalita, hindi ka nila ginajudge, hindi ka nila hindi ka nila pinagkakaisahan na this guy is, mali-mali, broken English siya, di ba? So, after a few weeks, meron na akong mga friends and I'm glad I'm still friends with some of those people. Kaya, yun, I think yun lang yung pinakamahirap. And also, I would say yung weather kasi dito sa Winnipeg, napakalamig. Nagma-minus 40, minus 50 during winter. So, yun din ang pinakamahirap na adjustment talaga dito.
Yeah.
Maganda lang yung snow sa